Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a video. I want to review and also show you the swatches, what all the not all but a few of the liquid lipsticks from Morphe look like on my skin tone, because I couldn't really find much of it, and I did find it on a few white people and a few darker skinned girls, and I really did like the colors, but I still wasn't so sure which colors would fit me or what I would prefer. And so now that I bought a few, I said let me just share it with you so that you don't have to look any further if you want to know what it looks like if you have probably my skin tone or something in that order. So let me try them on.
Are you ready for Nita? Hello, papi, qu'est passé? Je t'en débaille trop sur moi. À ce qui paraît, je cours après. Mais ça va pas m'être taré, ouais. Mais comme ça, les mains de tes peu. Tu croyais quoi? T'espérais plus jamais. Je pourrais te ficher, mais ça pas mon délire.